Hello everyone from Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort at Walt Disney World. I tell you what, I just got into this room, just checked in a few minutes ago, and I am absolutely loving every bit of it. This has definitely exceeded my expectations as a room at a moderate resort. It certainly feels a lot like a Walt Disney World deluxe resort in a lot of what you're getting. It is a beautiful room. We have stayed in deluxe resorts that maybe were just as impressive as far as the room goes, or maybe even not as impressive. Absolutely loving everything about this. Getting plenty of pillows on the bed. You have to love that, as a matter of fact. Over here, we have some extra pillows. Oh, now we're gonna have to focus. Okay, got the focus back again. We have this entire setup here. A nice bench. If you're one of those people who really likes to unpack, definitely some storage areas. And right here, underneath the TV, we have a pull-out bed. Got Mickey Lounge in there, along with Pluto. Definitely fitting the vibe here at Caribbean Beach Resort. There are a lot of things to love about Caribbean Beach. As I said, it is a moderately priced resort. It is in between the values like Pop Century and Art of Animation. And then of course the more expensive resorts like the Contemporary, the Polynesian, Wilderness Lodge. We have our coffee set up, our tea set up, some Coffee Mate. Just loving a lot of the detail here. Underneath the coffee, there is the mini fridge. We have some leftovers from our dinner at Disney Springs in there right now, so I'm not going to show you those. But now I am going to give you a sweeping look at the room, and then just quickly head in here and check out the bathroom. Pretty nice bathroom. Maybe the shower would be a little bit nicer at one of the deluxe resorts, but definitely serving its purpose. We're going to come around here, and without making myself feel uncomfortable by putting myself in the mirror, just a little bit of the setup here. Plenty of towels. I mean, they've got towels absolutely everywhere here. That's nice. You always love to see that. Hanger. We have an iron. We have our safe. An extra pillow and blanket. And then before we leave, I'm just going to show you our view here. And I want to tell you, if you are looking to stay at Caribbean Beach Resort, shoot me an email, rick@eartotheretravel.com, rick@eartotheretravel.com. You can also give me a call, 727-507-3123, 727-507-3123. And now we are just going to step out here just a little bit and look right outside the door at the grounds at Caribbean Beach Resort. That is right outside our window, and then you can see the Disney Skyliner taking people off to Hollywood Studios or taking them over to Epcot. Definitely a beautiful, beautiful room. Thanks for joining me.